In this video, you'll learn how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. This process will guide you through accessing your campaigns and making necessary changes to ensure your email marketing is effective. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your email campaigns. Next, locate and click on the campaigns option on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This will direct you to the campaigns overview page, displaying a list of all your created campaigns. You can identify this page by the campaign's header and the list format. After that, find the campaign you wish to edit, browse through the list, and click on the title of the specific campaign. This action will take you to the campaign details page where you can view the current setup and performance metrics. Once on the campaign details page, look for the edit button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will open the editing interface, allowing you to make changes to your campaign. Next, select the content tab from the options available. This section is crucial as it enables you to modify the text, images, and layout of your email. You will recognize this tab by its prominent position in the editing menu. Following that, click on the Edit Design button. This option allows you to customize the visual aspects of your email. You will see various design tools and templates, enabling you to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your campaign. As you edit, keep in mind that larger images or files may affect the loading time and overall performance of your email. Ensure your design is optimized for quick loading to avoid potential subscriber drop-off. Once you have completed your edits, look for a save or preview option to ensure your changes are applied correctly. This confirmation is essential to finalize your adjustments and prepare your campaign for sending. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.